Nana Fee, look at that hat.
Why, Jessie, that was considered quite smart in my day.
Mum, you amaze me. I'd no idea you'd kept these photographs all these years.
I've only looked at them once since the fire myself. I thought it was time the children saw them. Now, this is your grandfather, Paddy. There's little Hal. And Stewie.
Dear Stewie.
He's the one I remind you of, Mum.
Yes, he is, darling. In so many ways.
Who's this hero in the gloves? Never a Cleary, surely.
Just.
Oh, that's all right, Jessie. This is my Frank. It was in his things the prison sent back to me when he died.
Mum, is this you? Oh, you are beautiful.
Where? Ah, the cruelty of youth.
Was a lovely dress. Blue, wasn't it?
No, Mum. Yours was blue.
Maggie's dress was rose. Ashes of Roses, it was called. And in it, she was the most beautiful thing any of us had ever seen.
Never really changes, does it? Not even after all these years of silence between us.
Only that you're lovelier than ever. Much lovelier than that girl in her Ashes of Roses gown.
It's because I'm so happy. When you left me on Matlock Island, I thought it was forever. And here you are again. So soon. Why now? When you have everything you said you wanted.
Everything. Except what I had with you on Matlock Island. In all the years since then, I've fought against my need for you. But I couldn't bear to leave this life without being with you again.
You're not ill.
Oh, no. Just getting old. Feeling my mortality like any man. And God help me after all these years. It still hurts. But after Matlock Island, you could go back to Luke. Give him a son.
You must never think of Dane as Luke's son. Or as anyone's but mine.
You love Dane very much, don't you?
Almost too much, I sometimes think. As I've always loved you too much.